So I'll be going to script include, which you'll find under system definition. So I'm going to do a simple example first. Yeah, so it's going to print something, okay, like print, it's going to fetch something from the script include, it is going to fetch something from the client script. Okay, sorry, I'm just getting confused. Right, so let me just open Notepad. Yeah, so we have client script and script include. Okay, so I'm trying to fetch some data from the script include to the client script, and then I'm going to print that on the form. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. Right, so let me just give a name to the script include, like how we did before. Let me give it hello world. So it will be a client callable one, because I'm going to call it from the client script. Okay, and it's a glide Ajax. So I'm going to define a function here. Maybe it's hello world. Hello world. It's a function. Fine. So I defined a function like how I did it in the synchronous one. Okay. Now over here, I'm going to mention, why is it throwing an error? Okay. So here I'm going to return some value, which is return
comma after the function, right?
Yeah, thank you. Okay, so I'm going to return hello plus this dot get parameter. Okay, so we did this get parameter to get some values which we are trying to send from the client script. Okay, so I'm trying to get those parameters. So for now, I'm going to get the username of the system user. Okay. So I'm just, as I said, so the parameter which you're trying to send, it will be always started with sysparam and underscore, and it will end with the name. Okay, user defined name. So right now I'm trying to send the username of the user, so that's the reason I just gave it a name, username. Okay. Plus I'm adding this exclamation. That's it. Okay, so yeah. Fine. So what I did here, so first is I defined a function, and I'm trying to return a string, okay, which is hello, and I'm trying to get the parameter sysparam underscore username, which I'll try to send from the client script. And yeah, so accordingly this message will be returned to the client script again. Okay, so I will save this one first. Okay, then I'll go to incident table. Okay, incident, configure, then we'll go to client script. Okay. Click on new. Okay, so I'll give a name like hello world client script. Okay, yeah, and this will be a onload type, because I want to execute this particular message on the load of the form. Okay, yeah, so after that, let me write the client script. I'm getting a lot of noise. If someone is not speaking, can you put yourself on mute? Yeah, thank you. Okay, so yeah. So first, okay. So first, I'll be trying to call the glide ajax class. Okay. So where GA is equals to new glide ajax. Okay. So inside that, I'm trying to call the script include name, which was hello world. Let me recheck that part. Okay. Fine. Then GA dot add parameter. Okay, so what is going to be the first parameter? It's a question. So what should I give here? What should I give the first parameter?
Sysparam underscore name.
Yeah, very good. And what should be the value of that?
Username.
No, so this is sysparam underscore name, which is a default parameter. Okay, so now I have to give
Field name, right?
no, why field name? You will have to give the function name.
Oh, sorry. Yes.
Yeah, yeah. So first I'm giving this function name. Then next one will be the user defined one, which is sysparam underscore username. Okay, let it be like Bob. Okay, some user. Right now, after this, I have to call a method called as getXML. So previously we have used getXML wait. Okay, now we are going to use getXML.
Gautami,
Yeah,
can you
yeah,
explain the add param username?
yeah.
That third one. Yeah.
This one. Okay. So see, in whenever you're doing glide ajax, you have to send some parameters. Okay. Like because this is a client side and that one is a server side. Okay. So you have to send it as a request. Okay. Send it as a request to the server side and server will return you some response. Okay. So when you're adding parameters, these are nothing but some parameters of the request. Okay, so first is a default parameter. You can say you have to add it. This is a mandatory one. And next one is the user defined parameter. Okay, so whatever operation you want to do, depending on that, you're going to create some parameters and you will be sending those parameters. So for now, I'm trying to, add the parameter like username because I'm printing a message called as hello some user like hello Bob. Okay, hello Priya, hello maybe Nagarjuna. Okay, so yeah, so that's what my use case is. So yeah, so accordingly, I have tried to add this parameter. Okay, so it will be always starting with sysparam underscore name, sysparam underscore, and then after that it will be a user defined name. So you can give it like anything. You can give ABC, you can give XYZ, anything. Okay, but then you have to make sure it matches with the get parameter field. Okay, so it should match with that one. So otherwise, this won't map. Okay, so this is how you do it. Okay, got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Then GA dot get XML. Okay, so previously we have done get XML wait, which is for the synchronous one, and this one we are going to do for the asynchronous one. Okay, so yeah, so get XML. Okay, so inside that I'm going to add a method. Okay, so it's just understand, just now just see what I'm writing. I'll explain you this. Okay, so let me complete it, then I'll explain you. This is a very, oh my god, there's so much of noise. Okay, because this is complicated one, I don't want to miss this one. Just a moment. Okay, fine. So here, let me now explain you this. Okay, so till this you have understood. Now we have tried to fire this transaction using this ga.getXML. Okay, inside that you can see there is a function name that is added. Okay, which is hello world parse. Okay, so this is a function that I have defined here. Okay, so in the function definition you have to take the parameter of response, which is a like out of the box object. Okay, so which receives all the information of the response. Okay, now whatever response you get from the server, it needs to be parsed, or it needs to be broken down into more understandable things. Okay, so here I'm defining a variable answer, and then you have to write this statement. Okay, so response.response xml.document element.get attribute. Inside that there'll be answer. Okay, so this is how you try to fetch the what has been returned, okay, from the scripting group, which is this one. Okay, so like hello Bob. Okay, so this is what is returned from the scripting group. To fetch that answer, to fetch that returned value, you have to use this line. You have to get this attribute called as answer. Okay, so which stores the return statement. Okay, and then you are going to alert this message like this I have added, like you're going to give an alert like hello Bob. Okay, like this. So you have to like by heart this line, you can say. So that's how you fetch the return statement. Okay, now the good thing about getXML is it doesn't make any other threads wait. Okay, it can run parallelly with all the other threads, so it's like your system won't be hanged. So this is a small script. Okay, when you work on real time there are big script includes. Okay, but so in that case so your system won't be hanged if you use the asynchronous one. Okay, so I'll be saving this. Let's go back to incident. Okay, so click on all. Let me yeah, I got this. Hello Bob. Okay, so on load of my script, I'm getting this uh, alert. Okay, so my script is executing properly. Okay, is this understood? Like what I did now? Any questions? Guys, any question? Is it understandable?
Gautami, Sanjeev.
Yeah. Yes, Sanjeev, tell me.
I'm just considering this add param, we are passing both the hello world and Bob,
Yeah, that's right.
system param name and user name.
Yes. Yes.
We're passing it to this XML hello world pass, right? The function.
No. So, see, I'm not adding it to this function. This is the parameter of the request. Okay,
Okay.
and once you add all the parameters, you are going to fire that this transaction. Okay, so fire this transaction. How you're going to do it? Okay, so you're going to do it using this get XML. Okay, like how we did in synchronous get XML wait. Okay, so once you start this, okay, so whatever response you get, okay, so that will be captured in this function, and it will be broken down in this function, and you will get the returned statement, okay, or returned value.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so this is how you send a request.
Okay.
It's not getting the response. It's like you're sending the request now.
Okay. Can you go to that function? The function is below only, right? Hello world path. This is a function.
Yeah. This is
Okay.
okay.
And where is this answer this defined?
No,
To
this
get
answer
access
this answer is a system defined.
system defined one. Okay.
Yeah. So this is where your return statement will come.
Okay.
Okay. Any questions? Okay. So just before that, just help me with this one. Okay. So this all is covered. Okay. Background script UI action is also covered. Script include client edge access almost covered after today. Service catalog, we have only seen the catalog items, like how we configure catalog. We have not seen workflow or anything on the scripting part. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Sorry, but you don't save this one sheet.
this one.
I think every time we discuss,
Yeah.
I
Because
think better.
I have actually many back. So
It's better with if you update with the date, then it will be. We don't need to do every time.
yeah. That's right. I don't do it actually. Yeah, I should be.
Mm.
Yeah, fine. So SLA is done, right? And then ACL import set, update set is also done. Knowledge management, notification, reporting, and integration is also done. So we are left with only 4 topics, right? So no, yeah, 4 topics. Okay, so tomorrow I'm planning to start with schedule. Okay, so today we are not going to. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Okay, today we are not going to start any new topic. Fine. So other than that, we will see the basics of CMDB and service portal. This won't take much time, but yeah, this is going to take more time. Fine. Any questions on any queries you have?
Planning to close by this week?
Yes, I'm planning to close by this week because next week entirely I will be out. Okay, so I have some family festival. So before this weekend, by this weekend, I'm trying to close this course. Okay. So after this,
Weekend, not
yeah,
possible. Weekend before Friday, by Friday.
by Friday you want to close this one.
Yeah, so weekend not available.
Okay, no problem. But Thursday night I'm going to Kolkata actually. Okay, so Thursday night I won't be available, so that's why I'm just saying. If not, then Monday also we can see. Not an issue. Not an issue. Okay, by Monday we can.
Yeah, fine.
Okay, by
Okay.
Monday or Tuesday we can
Yeah,
close.
sure.
Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
yeah. So
Maybe one more session. If I request if you can just quickly run some of the important things, just brush up, or maybe you can ask some
doubts.
question or something like that.
Yeah. That I had thought
So
initially. Yeah, we can do that. Okay, so I'll keep a class where we will pick up. I'll take a test of
it's all up.
yours.
I think anyway. I'll give the feedback, but I think in between some classes, maybe 4 or 5 classes, you can take some question or some activity or what is it, some questions or
Mm-hmm.
some demo, something of that. It will help actually. We try to do, but sometimes the time doesn't help support us. and we
Yeah.
keep on missing, and it's now accumulating.
Yeah. Yeah, that's true. So maybe 4-5 classes won't be possible, but yeah, we can take a long plan. Okay, we
Hmm. Yeah.
can brush up all the topics that we have covered,
Yeah. Right.
and we can ask few questions and we can see what all
Yeah.
we have
Right.
learned. Okay, so
Maybe not continuously. Can give 1 or 2 means weekly 1 hour something, because
yeah,
we are
that would
still
be fine.
trying.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that would be fine because we
That's
will
fine.
stay in touch anyhow. Okay, we'll stay in touch in
Yeah.
WhatsApp
Yeah.
group, or you have my WhatsApp number. So if any day you have
Right.
faced
Right.
any
Okay.
issue, any questions, you can surely give me a call or WhatsApp me.
Sure. Sure.
Okay, so I'll
Okay.
try to help you as much as I can. Otherwise, I'll tell you
Okay.
I can't help much. Okay, fine, fine. So yeah,
Another thing, Gautami, you posted some requirement, some Bangalore requirement. I
yeah.
think.
Actually, even I have some requirement. I thought of posting it. So whoever is there in Hyderabad, okay, if you want to apply,
Hmm.
then send me your resume. Okay, so there is some good
Okay.
opportunities in
I'll.
Hyderabad. So basically, our team is right now very, you can say, my team is very small right now. It's around, we have around 10 people. We are trying to make it around, I think we are going to add 25 more resources. Okay. So it's going to be
Yeah.
like,
I think
right.
I'll talk to you offline. That's
Yeah. So just
sure.
send me your
Okay.
resumes. Yeah.
Okay. Sure.
Yeah. Thanks, guys. Thanks. Bye bye. Bye, everyone. Good night.